if you're running a business and you have staff members or a manager or even an assistant, you're going to have to add them at some point to the system so that they can access, different data and help out with the data entry for the business, as well as taking orders, entering payments, and so on and so forth. So with your account, you get unlimited users that you can add into the system. So to do so, you would simply go to Admin, Manage Users. From there, you're going to see a list of your current users, and you can act as those users and navigate the system as if you were them. You can also delete the user, search for the user, and lastly, the most important feature here is you can add a new one. So we'll click Add User. From there, we're going to give the name of the particular staff member, enter their phone number, give them a username, set up their email, and also a password for them. And then you have the option to send them login details so that you don't have to worry about, copy and pasting this. You can just click that and they're going to get an email with the details for their account. And then you can choose the permissions. And this is the important one, depending on the type of staff member that you're setting up in the system. So you can set up a customer, and that's just very limited access. If it's an actual customer, they can only see their basically their account statement with their invoices, payments, and so on and so forth. If it's your accountant, you can set up accountant, and they're going to have access only to the finances. So the estimates, invoices, payments, and expenses. They'll be able to see those, as well as they'll be able to see under reports, accountant rundown. They're going to be able to see that, which is basically your money in, money out. Essentially anything that your accountant's going to need financially for the financial data, they'll be able to see that, but they're not going to see everything else like your calendar, your list of clients, projects. They're not going to see any of those things listed there. Then you also have staff members that you can add in, and then managers, and then admins. So if you have other business partners, you can add them in as an admin, or you can add your manager or a staff member, and they're going to be able to see very limited things as well. So this is how you add users into the system. Very straightforward.